thanks for tuning in. This is, or should be anyways, a Septuagint with a Greek New Testament. It's come all the way from Athens, Greece, and a friend on Twitter had received one of these, and he told me about it, and so I wanted to get one. I have a Septuagint right now with a Greek New Testament, but it's just really awkward to hold. It's a really weird size. So we're going to look at this. I'm going to do an unboxing right here, and we're going to see what it looks like. So this is, there's no English in this at all. This is all the way from, as I said, all the way from Greece. So here it is, full Bible in the Greek. So there's the Septuagint. So here it is. There's a lot of other things they've sent me there. But here it is. It's actual Bible size. Yes, it looks nice. Hey, Hagia Graphe, or E Hagia Graphi, depending on what pronunciation system you're using. Looks like it comes with a nice ribbon marker here. Yes, it's definitely a sewn binding, so hopefully you can see this. Yeah, very, very nice. So this is this actually looks like the size of a Bible. So it doesn't, obviously that if you were having this in church, that might be a little conspicuous. However, the rest of it, size-wise, looks like a regular Bible. Hey, Hagia Graphe, the Holy Scripture. So, yeah. This font size looks like it's probably, I'm just guessing, an 8 or a 9, so not a huge font. But the nice thing is that you've got your Greek New Testament, and you've got your Greek New Testament, and you've got your Greek Old Testament, the translation that is done of the Hebrew Scriptures, all in one nice, handy volume here. So maybe we'll just kind of angle the camera down here better so that you can see it. Yep, that's what it looks like. And so if you're looking for a Greek New Testament that also has a Septuagint, this is a good option. I'll try to leave a link in the description. This would be the Orthodox text of the Orthodox Church, so it's a Byzantine-based Greek New Testament with the Septuagint Old Testament. So there you go, first look.